I'm about to have an expensive dinner with a potential investor. And my problem is that this guy loves drinking.
In your dancing shoes, there's one thing on your mind. Hoping they're looking for you. Sure you'll be rummaging through. Oh, and the shit show, the horror.
Alright guys, so it's 7 a.m. We are about to fly to Hong Kong, where I paid a kid $10,000 to teach me how to do YouTube video. So I don't know if it was a good idea, a bad idea, we'll see. In terms of commodity trading, there's a few things that I want to show you during this vlog. So the first thing is a massive opportunity that there is right now with all those tariffs. Some people are more than willing to switch suppliers, so I will tell you how to find those buyers. I'm sure you'll love it. This is a technique that I've been using for the past weeks, and I mean, it works well, so it's free, guys. And let me show you this. So I've just ordered some eggs at the lounge, and look at those colors. I don't know. Some things feel wrong. So.
You know the lights are flashing down in here tonight, and some might exchange a glance, but keep pretending to dance. But don't act like it's not happening, as if it's impolite.
Anyway, so what is the plan now? So I have a bunch of meetings, actually 2, that I need to take, but I'm a bit late because the plane was not on time. So I'm going to jump in the car, and then when I'm back at the hotel, I will show you the opportunity that you need to have a look if you want to do something in commodity trading, international business, and so on. Thanks to Mr. Trump and his tariff. Yeah, no time now, I'll do that after. And one funny thing about the hotel, I'm a gold member of the Accor Hotel Group. So that's means that I've been spending a lot of nights in hotels, so I'm a gold member. And as a gold member, do you know what I get? Look at this, I get... Oh, here it's in French. Profitez de votre boisson de bienvenue. Okay, so feel free to use your welcome drink. So you see, guys, a welcome drink. You are a gold member, you get a welcome drink.
Look at this color.
Yesterday night, I'm sorry I finished too late with the dude, so I mean I did not have the strength to show you the big opportunity with the tariff, what you should do right now if you want to find new buyers. But don't worry, I'll text 30 minutes later today, or maybe after tomorrow, and then I'll show you everything. Because man, this is a massive, I mean, you should pounce on it right now. So right now it's 8:15 a.m. and I'm going to this Mastermind that is organized by Daniel Dalen. So I paid $10,000 for this Mastermind. This is the first time that I do something like this. I know that if I want to upgrade this channel, I need to learn new things. I need to be able to network with people that are doing it at a higher level, even if those people are kids. Because man, at the end of the day, and I know it as a commodity trader, network is everything. I mean, proximity is power. If you are around powerful people, you will be powerful. If you are around fit people, you will be fit. If I'm around a bunch of very good YouTubers, I'm going to be a better YouTubers, you know? This is very important, and I think this is what a lot of people are missing. So yeah, am I going to make my money back or not? We will see. But at the end of the day, it's important to put yourself out there, to do new stuff, to learn new skills, and even if it means that you need to pay for those skills. I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, this is how the world works. I mean. All right, so let's get a cab and let's go to this Mastermind. I really don't know what to expect. We'll see.
Shoot that concept in the form of lifestyle, where you do bring in those traits.
Yeah, and as I was with my team.
All right, guys. So it's almost 5:30 a.m. I can't sleep because there's too much in my mind. I mean, the stuff that I learned at the Mastermind the first day, what it's mean for this YouTube channel, what is the direction that I should take if I want to make this YouTube channel something bigger. I mean, it's so much in my mind. I'm learning so much. It's incredible. So I can't sleep. I'm just thinking about this. But that being said, I'm not leaving you hanging. I'm going to give you the massive cheat code, the meta. I mean, if you want to find new customer in the USA for any product, I mean, this This is a cheat code. So I'll show you right now. Thanks to Trump, the tariffs keep changing, and we have some countries that have been hit with high tariff. So Brazil, 50%, bam, in the mouth. India, 15%, bam, in the mouth. I think India, it will not stick, honestly, but we'll see. South Africa, 30%, beam. Switzerland, my country, right here, Switzerland, my country, 39%, po. Myanmar, 40. Man, this is, or we are, hey, it's hot here. All right. So now imagine this. You are a US buyer and now you're buying from India something. And now it's 50% more expensive because of those tariffs. What are you going to look for? New alternative supply. And now how can you find those buyers? It's very easy. So you go on my favorite website, Vuji. Vuji is a data aggregator. So basically they pull data from port, from government, and then they make those data searchable in a database. So what you want to do, there's one product that we trade right now. It's anti-money. So let's see with anti-money. It's a product anti-money. Up. Then you want to destination country United States, filter. And then can I do the filter or yeah, but let's see. So right now I can see that those guys here that buy from this Indian supplier, now they've been just hit by 50% increase in the anti-money trioxide. I'm sure they're looking for a new supplier. Now let's see another guy. Those guys here, this is they are also but this is Baltimore. Okay. Here it's a bit this buyer. I mean, it's not a buyer; it's a logistic warehouse. But anyway, so those guy, Allsim Solution and Product that buy anti-money trioxide, now they will be looking for another supplier, and so on. So you see, very easy to find a list of potential interested buyer with those tariffs. Just go on those on Vuji or on any data aggregator, and then search for the guys that are in pain right now and call them. By the way, Vuji, if you are interested in this product, just said that I sent you there, and they should give you a very, very little discount. Yash, the owner of the software, is a good friend, so he got you covered. All right, so man, this is a source. Right now, I know a bunch of guys in our community that are doing exactly this. They are making bank. They are signing new customer left and right. So when there is like pivotal moment like this, I mean, you need to pounce on it. You can't stay just with your thumb up your ass and just wait for things to happen. So I gave you the sauce. Now I expect you to do something with it. So it's Monday morning and I decided to go to the beach here in Hong Kong. Instead of working, I had a lot on my mind. Those past 2 days was pretty insane, pretty mind-blowing. It's quite funny because you can see that in any industry, those kids that blew up on YouTube, I mean, you can see that what they've done, nothing is left to the chance. The level of preparation, the level of work is just incredible. And it's funny because at the end of the day, it's the same in all industries. The people that are doing anything at the highest level, there's a humongous amount of work that goes into what they do. Everything is well thought through, but the output seems effortless. So if you watch, for instance, Daniel's channel, I mean, you can't imagine the amount of work that is required to make one of those videos because it seems like effortless. And it's funny because now if I take that to the commodity industry, it's true, like when I do a deal of, I don't know, of palm oil, when I buy palm oil in Malaysia, ship it to God knows where, I can maybe take you with me, show the supplier, the buyer, speak about what I do. I buy something for $100, I resell it for 105, then you factor in financing, transport, and I'm left with $2. I know it seems simple, man. It seems simple, but the amount of knowledge that you need to have to make it seem seamless and to make it happen. I mean, I've been doing that for 15 years. So obviously when I do that, it seems easy, but there is a lot of work and a lot of knowledge that goes into one simple deal. So yeah, I was quite struck by this parallel. Like,
anything that you do, any skills that you do at the highest level, there's a lot of work behind it, even though it seems effortless. That was quite interesting. Then what those 2 days means for the future of this YouTube channel, I don't really know yet, man. I have a lot of work to do about what should be the direction of this channel to be even bigger, to promote commodity trading to even more people, to make this industry interesting to even more people. Man, honestly, I think what we do as international trader, I mean, we promote world peace, man. And I'm not kidding, man. When you trade with someone like in another country, man, and both of you make money, you don't want to go into a war with them, man. I mean, you're making money. It's your best pal. I think all those stories about people from different cultures that trade together, that makes money together, those are good stories, and it shows something extremely real about humans. It's like when there is your interest in something, you will take care of it. So yeah, a lot of thought about what should be the next direction of this YouTube channel. Also that I'm definitely going to need more help. Like I will need to have like some people that help me with this YouTube channel, like Vidias, people that really knows their because man, I know nothing, man. Look at this shot. I'm pretty sure that this shot we could do 10 times better, that the angle is not right, that if I want to look good, I mean, we should maybe do this, do that, but man, I don't know that. I've been doing commodity trading for 15 years. I've been traveling across Africa, across Asia. I wasn't on my phone trying to think what is the best light, what is the best angle to make me look good, you know? Because I think we can definitely do something good here. I think we can definitely do something way bigger and really promote this this industry, this way of life to more people, man. And honestly, this excites me, man. And so if you are a kid and you want a life which is not being like 8 hours at your office, like crunch like a turtle in front of your computer, there is a life possible where you have adventures, when you need to travel to meet other cultures, to make happen, which does not imply something online. And I think this is also a message that needs to be heard. I mean, if someone wants to hear that. So yeah, man, it's already 10 a.m. All right, man. We have to take my plane. All right, so